Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to draw Pakistan flag in Adobe Illustrator. Select the green color. Select the rounded rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select the Wrinkle tool. Now click on the corner of the shape with the mouse. The wrinkles will be formed. Select the Line tool and draw a line. Select both and go to Pathfinder and click on Divide. Ungroup. The shape will be divided into two parts. Change the color of this shape to white. Now we will make the moon and star. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Copy the circle and paste it in front. Darken the color of the top circle. Select both circles and go to Pathfinder and click Subtract. Now adjust the shape of this moon on the flag. Select the Star tool and draw a star. Select the Text tool and write what you want to write. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching the video.